Hi everyone, my name is Baron Kim and I am the current president here at Voice of Calling nonprofit organization based in the USA.
Hello everyone, my name is Frank Masanja Mussa and I am the CEO of Brocken Technologies. Brocken Technologies empowers technology solutions through reliable infrastructures. Since our foundation, we focused on Tanzania, achieving remarkable success with support from our partners. We have organized 13 events nationwide, partnered with 15 corporations, and impacted over 5,000 people. We've launched Harper.io, an AI-powered event management software that addresses cost and bureaucracy in the industry. Our business model positions us strongly in the market, and we are confident in our ability to impact over 10,000 people next year based on our past success. We are expanding our university outposts from 5 in Dar es Salaam to 30 across the country by 2024-2025. By the first quarter, we plan to have over 10 outposts nationwide with strong partner support ensuring we meet this goal.
Voice of Calling is a nonprofit organization founded in 2018 by young computer scientists to assist those in need of computer science education. Our main goals are to educate those without access to computer education about computer software and hardware, both online and offline. We're also working on a computer technology support project to help expand computer education and research in areas with limited social support. Currently, we're working on several parts of these computer education projects, one of which is Future of Tanzania, an initiative to teach computer programming to talented students at Tanzanian STEM high schools. We also have Voice of Dream, a coding and robotics camp that enriches the lives of children in foster care and low-income families here in the United States. As part of the computer technology support projects, there is Voice of Peace, an online platform that empowers African artists to showcase and sell their works while ensuring fair compensation for their creativity. We're also developing Ataxia a 3D rehabilitation system to support patients and doctors with axia, a rare and incurable disease. Additionally, we are developing SarahQ, a clinical testing tool for evaluating exercisability and brain disease patients. SarahQ is a cloud-based system for conducting ataxia assessment and rating skill testing, collecting objective, quantitative, and comprehensive data.
Problem background. We are facing an immediate and escalating crisis. Cyber threats are intensifying at an alarming rate. In 2022 alone, Tanzania experienced a 60% surge in cyber attacks. This dramatic increase highlights an urgent need for robust cybersecurity measures. AI advancements have empowered cybercriminals, making their attacks more sophisticated and harder to counter. The urgency to act is now. Our socio-economic stability and technological progress depend on our ability to protect against these evolving threats. Apparently, we have several hackathon models available to tackle cybersecurity threats. 45% of all hackathons conducted in the world today based in cybersecurity are based in Capture the Flag model, CTF. And 25% of all are based in bug bounty, and 15% are based in red team versus blue team. And only 10% are innovation focused hackathons. And 5% is based on other hackathon models. Among these, innovation based hackathons stand out as they not only address cybersecurity challenges but also promote formation of startups, the very useful and important engine in driving today's digital economy. Cyber Innovation Hackathon focused on promoting Tanzanian-made InfoSec solutions and building a community of expert level programmers. This approach fosters local innovation and drives the creation of new cybersecurity startups. Looking through the hackathon format, The Cyber Innovation Hackathon was a security development event targeting Tanzanian students and innovators with the aim of developing fully functional security softwares as a foundational product for startups. The hackathon was conducted over a 3 month period structured into 4 distinct phases to ensure participants had sufficient time to create meaningful and viable products. So we had the first phase, innovation education phase, from December 10th to December 27th. Participants received comprehensive education on latest advancements in security innovation. We had product development phase from December 27th to March 8th. Teams engaged in the intensive development of their security software products. We had entrepreneurship education phase from March 8th to March 30th. This was planned to be there, but it was cancelled due to lack of enough volunteers. And then we had product pitching day, which was on 30th March. Teams presented their final products to a panel of judges. Additionally, we had a judging phase for assessing product feasibility, which took place from March 8th to March 15th, 2024, during the hackathon period. The hackathon was successfully hosted on Hapa.io, providing a robust and collaborative platform for all participants. This format proved effective in giving participants the time and resources needed to create impactful security solutions.
NetScan Security is a network management tool. It facilitates scanning of host computers to detect vulnerabilities, offers insights into system states through log statistics and visuals, and provides AI-driven suggestions for optimizing network performance and security. AidFlow is a decentralized humanitarian aid platform built on the Filecoin virtual machine that revolutionizes the distribution aid during emergencies and crises. It ensures transparency, efficiency, and accountability in aid delivery, making a positive impact on vulnerable communities. CyberShield Tanzania ensures that IT infrastructure and digital operations are safeguarded with a comprehensive suite of tools. The platform features an AI-powered cyber coach, training management systems, a phishing simulator, and incident response plans. They also have a blogging platform and recently held an event where they trained 69 students in the field of cybersecurity and also provided training to industry professionals after the ICEAS Hackathon. Product G Scanner is a web application to mitigate real-time attacks and detect them. The system leverages web applications with the ability of scanning, detecting malicious and legitimate emails, analyzing factors like URL structure, content analysis, and sender heuristics. Firstly, the education phases were designed to provide participants with practical insights into innovation and business. In reality, we face a significant challenge with insufficient volunteers, and we aim to recruit educators and trainers from the United States and Europe to facilitate knowledge and technology exchange, but we lack the necessary support for effective implementation. The innovation education phase aligned with the Tanzanian culture and need for affordable solutions. And although we achieved 60% of our goals, we identified the need for a timely volunteer recruitment and better information distribution to address the remaining 40%. The entrepreneurial education phase was canceled due to a lack of educators. This phase was crucial as many Tanzanian students struggled with pitching and expressing their ideas. Our success rate for this phase was less than 5%, which indicated a significant area for improvement. The event saw significant interest, with 152 applicants forming 31 teams to tackle various cybersecurity challenges. This high level of participation reflects the enthusiasm and commitment of young tech enthusiasts in our community. We observed a gender ratio of 72.8% men and 27.2% men among all of the participants, and this skewed ratio shows the need for promoting gender diversity in technology-related fields. Despite this imbalance, we remain committed to fostering an inclusive environment where all participants can contribute their unique perspectives and skills to drive innovation. This hackathon culminated in a ceremony attended by 70 people and universities nationwide. This diverse turnout exhibits the widespread interest and engagement in cybersecurity issues among the youth. We plan to hold the Cyber Innovation Hackathon annually, ensuring it remains a pivotal event for nurturing young tech talent and fostering innovation in Tanzania. Virtual collaboration is faster and more efficient than physical collaboration in an IT context. Tools like GitHub and many more provide a better infrastructure for accelerating this course, but unfortunately, many Tanzanian programmers, especially those aged 18 to 22 and who made up 60% of our participants, could not properly use GitHub. Some are asking how we should collaborate if we have a vast physical distance between us, and some are even arranging physical meetings. If education on virtual collaboration is prioritized, then we can help boost the efficiency and working speed to a greater degree. These virtual hackathons also encourage the participation of people from more diverse backgrounds and from farther distances, regardless of where the participants come from. The event disrupted the local tech ecosystem. Normally, the Tanzanian tech ecosystem is centralized in Dar es Salaam with a very low presence in Arusha, making it really hard for people out of those places to access tech events that are mostly done physically. Cyber Innovation Hackathon was hybrid and had people from all over Tanzania benefit, and these virtual hackathons also encourage the participation of people from diverse backgrounds, regardless of where the participants come from.